Hello guys, now we are going to see Google AI platform. We know that Google are working in the AI field from long days, even though we can see they are a parent for the AI platform. So in Google itself, they have uh, three stages of AI platform. Like even Google itself have AI workflow, work cycle platform. They have pre-trained model then like AutoML, then they have the product to develop from the scratch till production, till prediction and monitoring and maintenance. They have the every stage to help the customer do ML product. If we take Google AS, we know the Google Artificial Intelligence Research and Development Branch. It developed new AI technology and apply them to Google product and service. Is available in all Google product. The pre-trained model APIs or API that allow us to pre-train machine learning models. The models have been trained on large data set, so we no need to give any data set for to use that API. They themselves use very large data set and created one model with their trained um, training. So we just as you use that model using APIs. So that can be used to perform a variety of tasks such as image classification, natural language processing, and machine translation. So we know the AutoML. AutoML is a suite of machine learning product that allow us to train machine learning model without having expert in the machine learning. Because if your pre-trained is like API, we can use that API directly and get the prediction. In the AutoML, also we don't need that much machine learning knowledge. Just use the existing trained machine learning model, then we will give just some sample data for labeling the model, labeling the data set to train. After that it will give the model, then we can use. So AutoML use Google pre-trained model machine learning algorithm to train model specific for our needs. So it will save our time, it will improve efficiency, easy to start the machine learning platform. So we know that, as I said, this is is an example for pre-trained machine learning APIs. Using Cloud Vision, we can do anything like even from the OCR to document AI. We can use the API itself, pre-trained API. The example for pre-trained API is the AutoML. Just once we push the input, based on the Google pre-trained model, based on the data set we pass, we can get the model API. We can use as a REST API and use it in our system. Once you pass the input, it will do the action. Then it will give the prediction using REST API itself. So here, then one more thing, now they introduce Vertex AI. Vertex AI is have all the options from processing the data, creating modeling, and then model creation. After that, monitoring and maintenance. This have all work cycle of all the steps available to create our own machine learning model. If it takes the AI platform in the Google itself, they have they have the option to create the data labeling using BigQuery dataset, and we can build using a net notebook, AutoML or training this one. And for validation, we can use what if tools is anything. Then we can predict And we can use TensorFlow also for prediction. Using TensorFlow, we can create our own model with our own dataset, but it have huge knowledge, overall knowledge about machine learning. So, as I said, the Google Vision AI is a suite of cloud-based API and tool that allow developer to build application that can understand the content of image and video. So, it will allow us to extract text or identify object, understanding scenes. So, Vision API is used in Google Photos, Google Lens, and Google Cloud Visions APIs is help us to get the result very quickly. Same like that, we as I said, the TensorFlow is an open source software library for numerical computation using Dataflow graph. It's used for machine learning applications such as neural network. TensorFlow was developed by the researchers and engineers at the Google Brain. Okay, it is used by Google's various AI product such as Google Search and Google Translate also. So it's a powerful machine learning tool, but it's little difficult to learn because it's full of core subject. Other pre-trained APIs we can use directly. AutoML is like a web view option. We can use that also with little database preparation. TensorFlow is we need core knowledge to develop our machine learning model ourselves. So it's a little bit difficult to learn. There are number of resources available. Sure, in our internet we can learn. Um, these are all the we have more. Every time the Google themselves introduce new ML technology. Like recently they introduced Vertex AI. So we need to use this product and use in our application for best best and easy deployment.